Before we dive in, if you want to rewire your mindset and build real wealth, hit that subscribe button right now. New videos every week that could change your financial life. Can you actually train your brain to make more money? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Years ago, my mentor Walter Snyder, a man who had built extraordinary success from nothing, told me something I never forgot. He said, before you can achieve anything, you need absolute clarity on what you actually want. So let's get specific. Say your goal is $10,000, or suppose say $100,000 a year. That's $8,500 a month, about $2,100 a week. Simple math. But most people never even write it down. That's why they never hit it. Here's the exact system I used to prime my brain for that level of income, step by step. Get crystal clear on your number. Not a vague, I want more money, a specific, exact figure per week, per month, per year, write it down. Step 2. Build your affirmations. Something like, I am so happy and grateful that I am now earning $10,000 every single month. Read it loud every morning 5 to 10 times. Read it every night before sleep 5 to 10 times. And here's the critical part people skip. As you say it, close your eyes and see it. Visualize the money hitting your account. Feel what it actually feels like to live that reality, the stability, the freedom, the relief. Make it a full mental movie. Step into it like a method actor who refuses to break the character. Why does this work? Because that daily mental rehearsal activates the left prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for creative problem solving strategy and execution. You are literally training your brain to spot opportunities it was blind to before. Bonus step, build your vision board, physical or digital. Fill it with the life that $10,000 a month actually buys you, the car, the vacation, the home, the characteristics which you want in your life, or the charities you would finally be able to support. Put yourself inside that picture. Make it real to your nervous system before it's real in your bank account. And then every single day, ask yourself one question. What is one action I can take today to move closer to this goal? Then take that action. The mental rehearsal and the physical step work together. One without the other is incomplete. Both together, that's how you start building unstoppable financial momentum. Here's the truth. Your brain is either working for your financial goals or against them right now. After watching this, you have a choice. You can keep doing what you have always done and keep getting what you have always gotten. Or you can start this system tonight, not tomorrow, and begin rewiring the most powerful wealth building tool you already own, your mind. Start with your number. Write it down the moment this video ends. Then come back and tell me in the comments what your financial goal is. I read every single one. And if this gave you even one shift in how you think about money, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. You might change their life. Subscribe if you haven't already, because what's coming next goes even deeper. See you in the next one.